Welcome back, friends. So this is going to be a ninth video and eighth concept in our tricks of trade in GI surgery series, and hopefully you have already watched the whole series. So in this short video series we are going to talk about how to do the mesentery lymph node biopsy. So this is a common scenario while you are doing a laparotomy for some other cause. You encounter large lymph node in the mesentery, so you attempt to do the biopsy. So we are sharing this trick how to do it safely without causing any harm. So friends, as I said earlier also in many of my talks, that this video series and this channel as a whole, the center of universe for us is a junior trainee, somebody who is venturing into the field of surgery, so that he has a smooth journey and he has a smooth induction in the surgical field. So if you're already a master of this surgery, master of your field, then you may not find this channel and these videos relevant. So in the first part we talked about how to negotiate around the umbilicus while doing the midline laparotomy. Second part we talked about finding linea alba in morbid obesity. Third was not through the falciparum while doing the laparotomy. There were two videos in this, that is arcuate line. First was theoretical discussion, second was live demonstration. Concept of mask closure, how to achieve it effectively while dealing in a marginal patient where the chances of worst abdominal are high. How to do hand-sewn anastomosis, that is esophagi-jejunal anastomosis while doing total gastrectomy. This was live demonstration of importance of arcuate line. Coming to the content of this video, this was a 35-year-old lady with a choledocholysis type 1A, and in which we did a choledocholysis excision with Roux and Y hepaticogenostomy. So there was an incidental mesenteric lymphadenopathy, and patient was hailing from our tribal area where the incidence of tubercular lymphadenopathy is high. So we decided to do the lymph node biopsy. So friends, if you're watching this video as a free YouTube video on our channel, then you may be able to watch only the teaser of this video. The whole content, the full video, whole series available in the members only section on YouTube and on our app. So dig further, everything we cannot provide free as a free content, otherwise we'll not be able to sustain this initiative. And eventually we will unlock all these videos as a free videos as the cost revenue ratio will improve. So while creating the Roux lymph, we encounter these large lymph node biopsy, a large mesenteric lymph node. So we decided to do the biopsy. So simply incise the peritoneum. As you can see, we are holding the mesentery with one left hand and exerting pressure on the lymph node with the fingers so that it becomes prominent. Then we incise this peritoneum. Then just give a nick with the help of blade. Don't go deeper, as most of these lymph nodes sits on the major vessels. And please friends, don't deviate from this technique, otherwise you can land up in major trouble, because if this major blood vessel is compromised, then the whole Roux lymph